In 2015, scientists discovered yawns spread like a virus. Here's the strange reason why. You know that feeling, someone yawns and suddenly you're yawning too. Turns out yawning isn't just about being tired, it's your brain's mirror neurons firing, copying what you see. Basically, it's your mind saying, I feel what you feel. Here's the twist. You're more likely to catch a yawn from close friends or family than from strangers, because yawns spread strongest through emotional bonds. So the next time you yawn after someone else, that's not weakness, that's connection. Subscribe for more videos.